And then let's look at the one I use probably the most. It is a Kobalt. Nice pretty blue Kobalt there. I love the color of it. This one is quite gummed up with stuff. I mean, I have gotten everything on this. And I don't worry about cleaning it. It's just a knife. Okay. Anyway, open it up, grab a hold here, slider open, and I haven't used this in quite a while. It is the one I prefer to use when I use one, although if I found this and I pulled it out, I would put it away. I would not use this. Okay. But we're gonna go ahead and, well, we're gonna hopefully change the blade in this one. And I don't remember the last time I used this guy. But clearly it's been a while. I found this one. I found this one kind of like laying in a place it probably shouldn't have been laying. Okay. All right. So these two buttons here, or these two nubs here on the side. You got a nub there, nub here. You're gonna want to pull those down and slide that out. That releases the pin in there that holds these, that holds it in. You can slide this in, the new one in, and hit it on the first notch. But if you want to get it in correctly to the second or to the next notch, you have to pull those down. When I'm saying down, I mean down this, down that from there. From this angle, I'm actually pushing up on it. But that way you can slide it in and out. So we do have some extra blades that I'm not sure. And I remember I was going to use this blade last year, and I saw how nasty it was, and I was like, oh, I'm not using that. So I do remember that now that I think about it. I used a different one. It was fine. So these look like they're mostly just dusty. I'm not sure how they got dusty. They're in a package. But they look pretty good. Actually, is that wet? Is that a little wet? That might be a little wet. That's not good. Did I not do that right? Go this way? Oh, yeah, that way. Okay. Slide it up this side. Oh, I had another one sitting right here. Oh, that's for a different blade, though. Never mind. So this one only has 2 notches. One of the other ones had 3 notches. So this one only has 2. But that's just, I think that's just a little bit of dust right there that's gotten in there. It's still sharp. Looks pretty clean. I wouldn't be afraid of getting cut with this. I don't want to, but I wouldn't be afraid of it if it did happen. So slide that in. We'll go ahead and get it onto the first notch here. If we can. We can't. Oh, it won't go in the first. What? Oh, there it is. Okay, just locked in. So we'll push those buttons together. Slide it the rest of the way in. Pull it back and forth a little bit to make sure she's all the way in. And blades changed on that, so now we can use that again. And I have a project I'm going to use this for here later today. That's why I wanted to get these done. So that's a 2-notcher.